What's going on, guys? Dru Witham here, back at Walnut Ridge in Newcastle. Today we are checking out the 2026 Cougar 360 MBI. So standing in the back here, we've got the really nice trifold sleeper sofa, makes some additional sleeping. And then you'll notice you got your theater seating right across from really nice entertainment center. And then behind this entertainment center, one of my favorite features of this coach, the hidden pantry. So lots of great shelving for storage, and then you do have the hanging there with a 110 outlet, so you can do either brooms, sweepers, stuff like that, or you've got a just nice hanging area in there as well for storage. Of course, farmhouse style sink, huge in there, and it does have the spray down nozzle. 12-volt split door fridge. This is a little bit bigger than your standard size 12-volt fridge, so lots of great storage, and then a really nice freezer as well. And then going back into the mid bunk here, as we kind of go back there, you'll notice another trifold sleeper sofa, so that's some really nice private additional sleeping. You've got room to kind of make a little desk area or entertainment center in there, and of course just a ton of really good storage everywhere in there as well. And then got the really nice dinette with the 2 seats, and then this does pull out. You can move it around, and there is some more storage in that as well. So that way you can use it for your additional seating, or you can take it over here, use it as a footrest for the folks that don't have those recliners. But just a lot of great versatility all the way around. And then coming up the hall here, you'll notice this really nice additional sleeping area, more so for the kids, but this is just a really great loft area. Lots of great storage up here if you don't need it for the additional sleeping, but just a really cool additional area up there that they finished off well. And then you will come into your bathroom. Of course, Cougars are coming with the porcelain toilet, more residential style shower with the seat, and just a really nice kind of vanity medicine closet or medicine cabinet there. And then in the bedroom, you're going to notice a king bed. That is a 70 by 80 residential king bed. So you can replace that with any bed you would like if you don't like the one they give you, or you can, get a nice mattress topper and you don't have to find those special sizes. You'll notice 110 power and then little shelves right by the bed as well. So you do have some storage. And then really nice front cap closet. You do have washer dryer prep in this closet right here, but it's just some really good additional storage if you don't need that washer dryer. And then just a really nice, really cool light bar in that hanging area, but just a really nice closet overall, some dirty clothes storage, and just a nice top end shelf to finish everything off. And then a couple cool things like the... Alright, so now let's go check out the outside. Alright, so on the outside of this Cougar 360 MBI, you're going to notice huge pass-through storage, and then you've got your hookup center right here. Really nice, clean look to it. But then what I really love about this guy, this is an access door on a magnet, and then you'll notice the water manifold system right here. So if you have a leak in any point of water, you can actually shut off just that point, and so you're not out water throughout the entire coach at that point. You can still use it until you can get that fixed. So really nice feature on this side of the coach. And of course your on-demand hot water heater. And then up front you've got your battery box storage, your spare tire in there as well, but you still have some storage in there to put your tools, stuff like that. And then you'll notice the Kurt Helix pin box, which is an upgraded pin box that they're doing. With that shocking coil, just really alleviates a lot of that chucking and just hard road vibration on the coach. Coming back, you'll notice you've got the really cool awning switches outside of the coach, so you don't have to go inside to put your awning up and down anymore. If it starts getting a little too rainy or a little too windy, you can just come right over here, tuck those back in real quick, and not get your camper dirty off for just getting your awning back in. And then you'll notice the really cool little mini fridge. They give you some room there to bring along your own grill, griddle, whatever you guys want to take with you. And then, as you'll notice, second awning all the way back, so you've got awning coverage all the way across the coach. And then in the rear here, you'll notice we do have a 2-inch accessory receiver, so you can put a bike rack, a little luggage rack, anything like that in there, and you'll be covered. And you'll also notice this is part of our 2026 30th anniversary sale that we're having. We are going to be doing that all the way up until the end of the month, but we have an open house this Saturday, June 20th, from 9 to 5. We're going to have some food, games, bounce house, all that good stuff. So would love to see you guys out there, and hopefully we can take advantage of those savings.